y'all, it's your girl Jerzey Elise coming at you with another video, and as you can see, this hair needs some TLC, so that is what we're going to be giving it today. But if this is your first time here, welcome. Hello, I am your girl Jerzey Elise. If this isn't your first time here, welcome back. You know how we do on this channel. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel and go ahead and hit that bell for all your notification needs. Make sure you go ahead and like this video and comment down below. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I am parting the perimeter of my hair because I am going to leave some of that hair out, and then I'm going to go ahead and section the middle portion, and I'm going to put that away. But before I even begin the hairstyle, I am going to go ahead and detangle everything. So I'll let you go ahead and watch that without me talking. So here you go.
Come on, show me got the body. Bend it. Show me get your moves.
Bend over and arch your back, 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 arch your back.
Show your little body, show my little boo thing, and show you got the body. Show be catching mood swings. Every time I pull out a roller, I on the covers, and I kept it on the cover. It's on Click Center. Hey, Todd, turn me up.
You know, I need stand love it. Stand love it. Stand love it till I look into your eyes. Stand love it. Stand love it. Stand love it till I look into your eyes. Stand love it. Stand love it. Show vibe, even when you getting high. Stand love it. Stand love it. Stand love it till I look into your eyes.
Body, show me my little body, body, and show you got the body, show me get your moves swings, body, show your body, show me my little body, and show you got the body, and show you got the body, show your little body, show me my little body, and show you got the body, and show you got the body, show your little body.
Alright, so my arms was tired, y'all. My hair is so thick. So now I'm taking my Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the perimeter of that middle section of my hair, and so I can go ahead and put it all into a ponytail, because this is where the clip-ins will be. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my bristle brush and smooth everything so that it can go into one ponytail. No flyaways, no straggly hairs. Just make sure that it's all secured. And I'm just going to go ahead and take me a ponytail holder and just wrap it around a couple times. And once I do that, then I'm going to go ahead to make sure that everything is detangled. I'm just going to go back with my wide tooth comb and just go ahead and start at my ends and just work my way up. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do a big twist, and I'm just going to wrap that around to make it as a bun. And I'm just going to use a good old rubber band to just secure it in its spot, because again, like I said, the clip-ins will be going in this section. So as y'all know, I'm using that same for a kinky hair clip-ins. Y'all already know how these clip-ins go, so I'm just going to let y'all watch.
Tell all my hoes, I tell all my hoes, I tell all my hoes, I tell break it down, bag it up,
Alright, so the clip-ins have been put in. So I can do the perimeter, I am going to secure the clip-in hair away. So I'm just going to go ahead and take an elastic band, just twist it up and put it out the way so I can go ahead and start on the perimeter of my hair. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and take out these weak flat twists that I did. But I did notice the hair still had some kinks in it. So I am going to go ahead and take my wide tooth comb and then just comb out the hair to make sure that it is fully detangled when I go ahead and do this hairstyle. Once I have done that, I'm going to go ahead and take this good old Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the perimeter of my hair. And as you can see, I like to take the Eco Styler and push up as I'm going to make sure that I am getting all the hairs necessary to make sure that there are no flyaways within this hairstyle. Even though there are going to be some flyaways, I still just like to make sure. So now I'm going to go ahead in with a bristle brush, and I am just going to brush the hair up. And that is all. Just brush the hair up so I can get it into the ponytail. And I am still applying some more gel just to make sure that everything is secured. And I do go ahead and brush it again, as you can see. And once everything has been brushed up into that ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and take an elastic band, and I'm just going to wrap it around probably 2 to 3 times depending on the ponytail, and just make sure that it is secured within my hair. It may seem like a little cone head when you do put them in, but remember the hair is going to cover that so you don't see it. Now I'm just really just going ahead and just poofing it out enough so that I know how I want my puff to be when I bobby pin it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and do these edges. Y'all know I feel like I don't have no edges, but I'll let y'all watch me do this. This was a cute hairstyle right here, but this ain't even the hairstyle. So as you can see, my edges, I did something to them. Now I'm just going to take the hair and make like a little bird's nest, and I'm just going to take bobby pins where I do want to place them so that it is secured, and then, you know, just mess with it until I get it until my desired look with this on my head. But this was just so easy. I just love doing this style. So now I am going to go ahead and wrap it up. I am going to put a little bit of the Gots to Be, I believe it's the Freeze, in the yellow can on there just to lay down my flyaways. I realized that before putting it on my scarf. So I am just going to spray that and just take my bristle brush for the back portion. And then I'm just going to take my edge brush and then just, you know, smooth it down a little bit so when it does lay down, it will be secure. It won't have as many flyaways. But that is all I'm doing, y'all. The scarf, you know, 10 minutes. That's all I'm doing, just the 10 minutes for the scarf. And then once that has been set, and then, y'all, this final look is so good. So I really can't wait till y'all see it. And then I'm just going to take some Eco Styler gel for my little curly cues on the end, just to do that a little bit. And then that is set. And then that's the hairstyle. Once the scarf comes off, you guys will see the final look, and I do hope that you like it. All right, y'all, this is the hairstyle. Like, it came out so good, you guys. I didn't expect it to come out this good. But if you guys did like this hairstyle, just a quick, simply high puff with clip-ins, make sure that you comment below. But I do hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching all the way through, and I'll see you in my next video.